Daela is a full-service cosmetic tattoo studio. We mostly offer cosmetic tattooing, but we do offer some aesthetic services as well.
I was a makeup artist for like 10 years. And then I was an esthetician for about 4 of those. And then I actually learned about microblading right when it came to the US, and I decided to go get trained, and that's pretty much how I got into microblading.
We met when Erica was a few years in and had a small business in downtown. I was really attracted to Erica from the start because I wanted to work with strong women, and I was really interested in cosmetic tattoo, but Erica needed a manager, so I came on as the studio manager to open the studio with Erica.
I remember thinking that she was probably my polar opposite. I'm very left brain, very artistic person, and I have no attention span whatsoever. And she is very organized. She was exactly what I was looking for. I just needed someone to help kind of rein in the business side.
I just had started tattoo school because I knew that I wanted to be an artist, and I told Erica when I started as a manager here that was my true goal and interest, and she was so supportive. I just fell in love with lips and ended up doing lips, and Erica loved brows, and those two services together just ended up being like leading in the industry, so it kind of worked out. You know, not everyone knew what really high-end luxury microblading and lip tattooing, what it looked like.
So we had to train a whole bunch of artists and make sure that the quality of art that was coming out of our studio was up to par with what Lina and I really wanted for our studio, which is only the best.
Not only do we have a family that we get to work with every day, but the business side of this has been wonderful.
Giving people confidence and making them feel good about themselves and allowing for them to come in for an hour or two and creating that relationship with them, it really means a lot to people, and I love that.
We're very proud that our clients leave here happy every day.